going on, guys? Your boy Phrankleen. I'm here in Peckham, okay? I'm here with my brother, Caller by name. He introduced himself in a bit. He does Nigerian Suya, and he does it properly like it's done back home. So I came to London by chance. I bumped into him here in Peckham, right? So I said I was gonna come back to show him love. So yeah, bro, introduce yourself, man.
Hello guys, hello. My name is Kola Ajayi, known as Nigerian Cuisine.
Yeah, on YouTube.
On YouTube, yeah. I'm in Peckham doing Suya, and my lovely friend here is here to show some love. You know, so if you're looking for fresh Nigerian Suya, fresh show. The card machine, yeah, but it's updated, so it takes a while. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm here doing Suya, you know, lovely beef Suya, taking it back to Nigeria, the way it is.
So tell them how to find you, bro.
I'm on Shomot Road, Rye Lane, 150 Rye Lane, in Peckham, Rye. If you know Lola Gregor, the junction of Lola,
yeah,
just facing the road, you can't miss it.
You can't miss it. Just by the corner here, this junction.
You can't miss it.
What time do you start?
I start cooking from 8 o'clock. I start serving the public from 12 o'clock. As you can see, people are queuing up to get their Suya.
And what time do you close?
When I sell it, roughly, I tell you, get here before 5 o'clock. But by 6, 7, you know, that's my license till 7 o'clock.
And you're done.
I sell it around 5 o'clock. So try. Give me a call if you're coming to pick it up. That's why I tell my clients and customers.
Right.
So to kind of tell me to keep it for them. So most of them want me to keep it for them.
Yeah, cool.
So, but yeah, by 5, 6, please catch up with me here and enjoy some Suya.
Nice. You cater for events and stuff as well?
Wicked, yes. I do that a lot, but that's if they can pay me. It's not even up to them. If they can pay me, I'll do proper job for them. Proper.
Any event?
Any event. I've got 6 guys working for me, so I can send my boys. But if it's me, I can also come, but it's just about the price. Suya, chicken Suya, asun, name it. Wicked.
So you heard from the man himself, right?
Yeah, is that it?
There you go.
So do you want to go and taste it to tell me if you need more spice? Are we good? Onions and tomatoes, you say? Free rice or no rice?
The rice is actually
No. It's £3 I sell it, but I do give my customers complimentary rice if they want it, because a lot of people come to do shopping, so they need that energy. But if you are going home, you might just want to enjoy it with Gary, don't let rice take your Suya. You want rice?
I don't drink Gary, so let me give you my rice.
Really? You don't drink Gary?
No.
You're not Nigerian, are you?
I am not.
So what happened? Why didn't you drink Gary? You just didn't like it? Wow.
There we go. Let's put it inside. I something at the rig.
Oh yeah. The rain a bit and me, I woke up a bit late, man. So. Okay, you're starting that one as well.
Yeah, just to make this quicker. But for that one, no, but that one is looking forward to it. I think I've been really.
That's me done. A nice walk around with Nigerian Suya. That's your boy Phrankleen.